You really out here welding with your knee again?
Yeah. That's how I taught him how to do it. You told me.
That's what that shirt stands for. Black Phil Fabrication.
That's it. Exactly.
Black Phil Fab.
Hey. Jason knew we were one day gonna be, you know, united, so he made that shirt.
United.
I fitted into the was once.
Look at that.
It's now a reducer.
Oh,
look at that.
That once started life out as a
This was a velocity stack.
velocity stack. Yes.
We couldn't get a reducer, so 4-inch charge pipe, 3-inch outlet off the turbo. Look at that. Look at that. Jason, quit showing off. You didn't put it in the trash bucket too. God, every time he's on camera.
So I got a question. So the Bad Apple doesn't have a turbo now.
It's on its way back from Precision.
Oh,
yeah.
It's on its way back.
It's on its
way.
It's actually at Precision. They're looking at it. They're like, "Oh, this is a pile of shit."
Yeah, like I'm surprised you didn't spin the wheel out of it.
Look, guys, look at this one. Didn't explode. All right, so we're on the Ellis Nasty YouTube channel. So we got Jason back on the Black Sheep finishing it up. We were waiting on a few things, got a few things in, and then we went on a wild goose chase this morning for this piece right there. Really looking for a 4-inch to 3-inch aluminum reducer, but we ended up with a velocity stack from Phantasm. Shout out to Hung at Phantasm hooking it up. Finished the charge pipe. We got a new blow-off valve for it. You got the exhaust. Starting the mock-up on the exhaust.
Yeah.
Just plugging away here.
Yeah. We'll get this finished up. I'll go ahead and get this welded out and then put the front end on it and then we'll get on the exhaust and get ready for this.
So talk to me right now. We're doing. Is it like a bullhorn teardrop combo? What are you thinking?
It better be like Tyson's.
No, we
might just make it just like Tyson.
We want
just like Tyson's.
We want it to be slightly more aggressive than Tyson's. Like I want it little.
Face it forward, so that way when you're going through the pits and people don't move, you just scoop them up.
I want it to be so aggressive that like when you look at it, you're in pain. Like you're like. I look at someone like, man, if I bump my leg off, that's going to hurt. But I just want to look at it and be like, ow. I just want to be like, ow.
We're definitely going to see what happens.
If it looks anything like Phil's, we're going to have a major issue.
Wow. My teardrop is pretty nice. You even said, hey, man, that's pretty nice.
You know what? Honestly, Phil, it was
I did that with a grinder.
Way higher than what I anticipated. It looks, I mean, listen, Jason has the old flaccid penis teardrop. If we go, we'll take a look at it right. We'll take a look at it right now. It's just not. It doesn't come to a point, really, and a teardrop has to come to a point, and Jason's is just rounded off. It's like, blah, blah.
It's almost like, hey, do you want to burn my front tire off?
No, it's actually not a bad...
That's probably why that side's low on air.
It's actually not a bad teardrop. It's
not a bad teardrop.
No, it's not. It's not. But it's Jason, so I'm going to give him a hard time. But look at the wiring job. If you guys check out the the John Dock video where we got this car back in the shop, Ben just went through and cleaned up the wiring like amazing. Looks really good. Way better.
Yeah.
He's got the turbo blanket off a train.
This is a turbo diaper. This is what Precision sells you when you buy a turbo too, so that it catches the damn back housing when it explodes. See that?
We catch him welding with his knee again. You're just showing off now, aren't you?
Yeah, pretty much.
I know. Oh, this is wild. The first time everyone saw this, Jason suddenly was way cooler than me.
Oh yeah, everybody's always cooler.
Get my leg up there.
Wait, I'm literally gonna build these zoomies later, and I'm just gonna lay on the ground and start welding them for no reason.
Somebody's gonna complain about how you built your own zoomies, but you have Jason here, but then we will complain about Jason building the turbo kit for this, and like, oh my god, Cletus built this turbo kit for Ruby. Why don't you build a turbo kit for a Black Sheep? You're literally building Zoomies.
I'm building
in
Zoomies.
Colorado, and they're gonna be like, well, you had Jason there. Why'd you just ask him to build the Zoomies?
I found out you can't win. You just can't win. All right, let's inspect these welds. So we're not even editing, so he has no time to clean them up.
Oh gosh. You can't grind them down.
Where were you welding? What were you? Were you even welding, or were you just welding?
The whole back's all that.
Oh, you're oh, that looked so good. I didn't think that you were welding that. Are you ever worried of
Little brother never has faith in me.
Are you ever worried of a hot drip of molten aluminum to fall on you?
You know, because my fat chunky tail would be rolling up out of here. This happened before.
Well, weld the transmission case and it start puddling up.
Yeah.
And then it just pop.
And you don't know where it's going to hit your chest, the head,
or go through anything. That's worse than MIG welding.
Excuse me, got a business meeting.
Look at this.
We'll be back a little later, fellas. We'll talk to y'all in a little bit.
All right, so here we are. We got pretty much the hot side complete, the cold side complete, and just the exhaust to finish up. Jason, how's it going?
It's going good. Going good.
Give us the rundown on it. What it all take? What's the everything we got going on here? I don't think we've ever discussed this with you. I didn't film at all when you were over here last time talking about the hot side.
I don't think so.
So you did everything here. We have some Flowtech down and forward facing headers. You like them? I like them. Great header.
Yeah, I don't have any problem with them, man. I think they're a good set of headers, especially if it's anywhere close to where you can where they need to be as far as placement goes for the price. And
I like them because you can still get at your spark plugs. You can still change plugs here. I got up and forwards, and they're very difficult to change spark plugs. But so slap the headers on there. We got this medical grade 3-inch stainless. You made this awesome merge into the T6 flange, and then you stuck this massive JGS 60mm wastegate on there. Anything we need to know about that wastegate placement?
No,
merge.
It's like any of them. Forest, any of the guys' cars will do. I try to get the wastegate as close to the turbo as possible. It seems like it controls it better that way. So I mean, so far it's worked out. So if I can get it, extremely close to the turbo, I try to.
Super simple cold side, running on alcohol, non-intercooled, just pretty much going from the turbo to the throttle body. 4-inch. Don't really use 4-inch. I've never had a car that has 4-inch on there. So this stuff is, I mean, it's meaty.
4 inches, pretty basic for what we're using with the bigger turbos and stuff. Yeah, we just went up with a reducer off the turbo and went to the 4 inches. Went from 3.5 to 4 inch. So it's not a real big.
Not real big change.
Yeah.
Does it? You think it's beneficial? I mean, it probably doesn't hurt to have more size.
It doesn't hurt. Other than that, man, I mean, it's pretty basic. I mean, of course, we run it a little crazy, but.
And this is all custom BPF design. You decide to route it over and under and.
Yeah, just change it up. I always try to do something a little different with all the kits.
Not only is it going to work good, but it looks good. It's going to be attention grabbing, getting all the turbo and everything all polished. Oh, you made a fuel cell for us. Yeah. Pretty much an exact replica of the other fuel cell, except this one's got the breathers up top. Pretty basic. You did weld the dash. What is that? A dash?
That's a 20.
A dash 20. Mm-hmm. That's a big fitting.
Yes.
A dash 20 fitting on the bottom. Fuel regulator goes here.
Yeah, fuel regulator will go right there, so that'll be your return.
And then we had this here for the prime pump, which I don't think
we can chop that now.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to use the prime pump.
It can actually go, and then we'll mount the fuel pump here. So that'll be next in the works as soon as we get the rest of the hot side or the exhaust side done. We actually cut this off compared to what it was to try to give us a little more room and to run it out. So that's our next step, is to go ahead and slide the front end on it. Once we get the front end on it, then then I can run it. I don't want to run too far now and it not be close. So
yeah, we do have some holes cut in it in the body, but they were for the 5-inch bullhorn kind of teardrop thing. So I'm sure you're gonna do something creative and awesome with the exhaust.
Yeah, I'm trying to think up something here. I got a couple ideas.
I think you should have them come out and then do a full loop, like a pig's tail, like a curly Q, and then like shoot out. Why don't we run?
Ram.
Something
We'll bring him up and then we'll go back.
something ridiculous. Now, being on alcohol, it is going to shoot a bunch of water everywhere, so I enjoy that. I think that's pretty funny, just when they're warming up, or even.
That's the only reason we're not going out the hood with it. Something crazy, because we could have just brought it around and brought it out the hood this way. But we already got the holes, so might as well use it and go back out that. And like I said, we'll come up with something definitely different. You know me, I'm not gonna.
You are not a basic bitch.
I can't stand that.
Well, I'm excited to see it. I think the only other thing on the turbo kit itself is you got to put the wastegate on there, or sorry, the blow-off valve. Where's blow-off valve placement? What do you got in mind?
Probably, man, usually somewhere. I mean, either over here, or over here. I usually just put them to the side. On this one, actually, I could probably even put it on the bottom side.
Yeah, because we don't know where the hood is gonna. I think it's gonna look good. I mean, pretty much it should just be the elbow and then some of this that's gonna be sticking up.
Yeah,
so.
I mean, it should kind of taper off, you know, to here or so. So I mean, it can be out the hood.
You might have to stick. Can you stick it up top like a unicorn?
Yeah, just line. we can set this up. We'll make it like I have it where it comes way out and it just sits up here like this.
Oh yeah, we could just fiberglass that in, huh? I heard that before.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some resin.
Yeah, lean on it harder, Jason.
Okay.
Hey, you got to. We got to flip the throttle body. You respect the time I have in this front end.
Yeah.
I got 2 days of fiberglass in this.
All right.
Are you gonna cut it with it just on there?
Alright, so we're gonna take it back off because I don't want to get it. Alright, let's.
No, just do it on there. Be a man.
Man, it's gonna be everywhere. And that's the good motor. It's not the demo.
It's taped up. It's taped up.
About to go down.
Oh boy. Don't hit that damn elbow. Oh, you're way outside your mark.
That's why I got the fiberglass, man. Oh god.
Oh no. Do you want me to hold it up? I did not miss the smell of that. God, it smells so awful.
It's gotta go back to me.
Gotta go back? Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
That's it. Oh, it's George. Look how much higher this is, and then it goes down right here, and then it.
That's easy.
Yeah, that needs to come up.
Hang on.
Oh, yeah. Why is it so much taller here than it is right here?
It's because it's like 37,000 pounds of
glass. Already you put a bar up there.
Okay, okay.
Oh, you relax it.
I'm just all my hard work.
Tip pops one time, he's like,
You didn't have to sand it after someone put 2 bottles of hardener in this.
Like 2 4-inch teardrops coming out.
You going to the same location?
Yeah, because we already got it cut out.
How ridiculous. Is it a teardrop bullhorn combo? Or what are we doing?
This is called the Brazil.
The Brazil
It's
horn.
gonna be 2 4-inch.
Brazil horns?
Are you gonna put the dumps right beside him?
No, it's only got one wastegate.
No, he's gonna fork them off back there and dump them
Yeah,
off.
just
You're,
Run like 18
it's coming out the hood.
you're out of control. You're out of control.
No, I feel like this right here.
I thought we were doing the pig horn. Or the pigtail.
No, we're going to the little country on steroids style.
The truck stack.
Yeah.
There you go, that's what I'm talking about.
Yee! 2 of them.
Dude, we should just build zoomies off of it. Have them come in and then have them go into 4. Turbo zoomies.
Taking my idea.
God, that's kind of nice though.
It would be different.
Yeah.
How close is the hole to the turn? Oh my god! It's not bad.
Are you gonna build a funnel to that?
You used my funnel today.
Oh, the damn velocity stack. You have to go in through the bottom. Going through here.
Back up and sand it. Oh. Oh my god.
God, every time Jason does this stuff, it looks like he knows what he's doing.
I did actually.
Oh, alright.
No, I really did. I measured it out.
Oh, okay.
When we put-
You thought he just like magically got
Yeah,
that?
because I know, like he can do stuff like that.
I mean,
He never ceases to amaze me.
Well, no, that one. We could open it up and have it where it goes right to the turbo.
I thought that, we like the front license plate, we cut this out, the whole front license plate, and then you make a box that just goes in and tapers into the circle.
Yeah, and what it does is that the box will stay. It'll stay
On
the turbo.
Yeah, and then this will just be cut out. That's just a thought,
Like when I did on that.
Yeah.
I meant that. Yeah, Pro Truck.
Pro Truck car, yeah.
I can do it, man.
Then paint the box black.
Ain't nothing but a thing.
Ain't nothing but a thing.
Nothing but a thing.
Anything's possible over here at Black Fill Fabrication.
Don't take the box black, just polish it.
No, I just want the centerpiece to be that wheel spinning. That's all I want. So it's like that thing right there is like rolling around some 28s.
I'm wondering, like, with this though, dude. This thing is like got some massive pickup.
It's got a boner.
Oh my god! All the. That's
Dude.
why.
No. This is factory. This padding right here is factory.
That's not factory. I don't know what this is, but see it?
Yeah, I did that. But
Oh yeah, that's from when it had that little goofy plate on here.
we have a new hood coming.
Like a real hood or
Like this. Like we're gonna do a wood screw delete. And do we Zeus it on? Do you put rails on the body?
You can put rails. Well, depending on how these are. No, we can just. It should be. So this.
Because then we're gonna wrap it, and then you got to cut this out and mount the headlights and turn signals. So we get them 4-ways working. What you know about that, Phil?
Lord, I'm gonna be here for about 3 weeks.
So if you guys need any work in the Dunn Benson area, come by and schedule an appointment
Give me up.
with Jason Brazel
Black Fill Fabrication.
at Black Hill Fab.
Might have a new house right here, right here.
He shook because the toter's gone. He's like, "Where's my house?"